Welcome to Slide Bazaar's PowerPoint for Pros, a video series that will help you become better at PowerPoint. In this video, we'll take a look at how you can use AI to create presentations from scratch using a free PowerPoint add-in from Slide Bazaar. Before we start, here's a quick look at the add-in. This free add-in from Slide Bazaar is designed to make your PowerPoint workflow simpler. You can easily access hundreds of presentation templates, themes, and more right within PowerPoint to create professional-looking slides with the least amount of effort. To download it, check out the link in the description. One of the latest features of this add-in is that it now comes with an AI feature that lets you create multiple slides in an instant, complete with high-quality images and text, all of which you can easily replace to add your own content. Let's take a look at how this works. Please know that the feature is currently in its beta stage, so the user interface and buttons may differ slightly, but the overall process remains the same. Go to Slide Bazaar in the ribbon and click on Slide Bazaar AI. This opens a side panel. Click on Generate Presentation and then enter a prompt. You can add the topic you want to cover in your presentation. Select the language. We'll keep it English for now, and select the number of slides. Let's keep it at 7. Now under Image Source, there are two options. You can choose to include stock images from the web or use AI-generated images. Click on the option you want. For now, let's click on AI Images. Next, select the image model. FluxFast is a good choice for now. And then click on Continue. In the next step, you can see the presentation outline. You can swap and reorder and delete any slide. You can also edit the topic of each slide if you want. Once done, click on Continue. Now it's time to select a theme. I'll select my favorite theme from the list and click on the button below. Your slides will now start generating. Do note that it takes around 10 to 12 seconds for each slide, but the wait is worth it since you're getting a lot done with the power of AI. And there you have it, your AI-generated presentation is now ready. Now that your AI-generated slides are done, here are some quick ways to customize your slides if you need to. To change any image on your slide, click on the image you want to replace and press Delete. Then click on the placeholder icon and upload a new image. If you want to modify how an image appears in a placeholder, double-click the image or simply select it and go to Picture Format. Click on Crop to edit and reposition the image. If you feel like changing the colors and fonts of your presentation, go to Design, Variants, and use the drop-down menu to adjust the fonts and colors. To add a new slide to your presentation, press Ctrl+M and then go to Home and click on Layout to select a new slide layout. That concludes this short video on creating presentations using AI. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to download the free add-in using the link in the description.